Higgsfield AI just dropped a super update called Supercomputer.
I want to leave.
Soon.
It really is just that. Super. Higgsfield AI states that it is the first ever cloud-native, self-learning AI agent for end-to-end task execution. 40+ built-in tools, 3 layers of memory, access via browser or Telegram. And what really stands out is how easy this is.
I'm ready to go home.
So for an example, you can see right here, no local hardware, runs in your browser or Telegram, orchestrates every major LLM and image to video model. Then it has the specific built-in skills for Seedance,
I'm ready to go home now. Can we go, Eric?
GPT Images 2.0, and Nano Banana.
Check, please. He's had too much to drink tonight.
Okay, so here is one that stood out to me. You can simply just in the supercomputer say something like, I want more customers. Is my video viral? If not, do better. You can then upload a specific video, and we're gonna actually try this out today for ourselves. We also have AI bots to where we can schedule things to be done weekly, like researching and updating content. And then the other thing I love are the ability to add connectors.
This is the edge.
Just simply select connectors, and then you can see all of these apps that we can add, which this is the one that was connected with Telegram. In fact, we're gonna try this one today. I wanna make sure that we're notified on Telegram, and then that way we can go back and view our work. Okay, so here we are in Higgsfield AI. Now, again, right at the very top, we can see that they've been busy adding a lot of amazing updates. Just at the top, you can see it right here. We have Supercomputer, DTC Ads, Virality Predictor, Ad Reference Marketing Studio Hook, and then even Higgsfield MCP. Amazing. But our focus today is right here. It's going to be Supercomputer.
Did you know that almost 75% who watch Eric's videos aren't subscribed?
Wait, what?
So when you hit that subscribe button, it really does go a long way. So since we're here, let's go ahead and now select run it. Instantly, this is going to populate right over here. Eric, what are we creating today? So I want to first start off with something. Since we do have to wait a little bit for each of these tasks we create, why not go ahead and test out one of the connectors first and actually connect my Telegram account. That way, when a task is complete, I'll get notified. Then that means we can come back here and check out how good of a job it did. So over here, top left-hand corner, you can see I have Supercomputer. I can toggle back and forth between Supercomputer and Higgsfield AI right there with that drop down. We're gonna go ahead and now select connectors. Okay, now just like that, you can see now I have nothing installed, but we have all of these amazing available ones right here. A lot of these you may be familiar with and use quite often yourself. We're gonna first select this Telegram one, hit that plus button, and now what we're gonna do is select new bot. We don't have a bot yet, so what we need to do, because we don't have a token, it says connect your Telegram bot, paste your bot token from bot folder. Don't have that, so I'll go ahead and select don't have a bot yet. It then will redirect me over here and then ask me to open Telegram. Use this token to access the API. There it is. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is copy that long token right there, just like that. Now I'll come back over here to Higgsfield AI and now simply enter in that token and now hit continue. And now if I come back over here, it now says down here below, verified, you're the owner of this bot. Send a message to start chatting with your Higgsfield agent. So now we can communicate back and forth. So while we're here, let's go ahead and try something very simple. I'll just go ahead and actually send a message and say, create an image using GPT 2.0 of a supercomputer, futuristic, modern. And now look down here below, let me generate that image for you right away. Skill view. It looks like from the looks of things, it's actually doing it. It sent me these messages. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. It first gives me the full prompt. Okay, here is the full prompt. Now all I have to do is select this approve button. I approved it. And now let's see if we get that image. It should appear in the chat shortly. All right, we'll come back to this in a second. Now back over here in Higgsfield AI, let's go ahead and now start something new, a fresh tasks. Oh, but first, wait, look over here on the left-hand side. Since I connected Telegram, look underneath tasks. It says new Telegram ready. If I select this now, it now directs me over here. This is the same exact chat I was just using in Telegram. There is Telegram right there, my actual app. And now the same thing is being done over here in Supercomputer. Amazing. Like I said, we'll come back to this in a second. Let's go ahead and open up up a new task. I want to try that task we saw at the intro of this video. Remember this one right here where it says I want more customers? Is my video viral? Now before we do implement this, watch this. Let me show you down here below some other options. And now I can choose to create any of these three. We have marketing, cinematic, and cartoons. So with one click of a button, we can go ahead and start a new task. I can also hit this plus button. I can upload files, elements, and again, we have the connectors. And again, when it comes to the LLMs, we have OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. All right, so now it says I want more customers. Is my video viral? Let's go ahead and bring a video in. All right, so let's go ahead and take this video right here, okay? It has a advertisement with this model with my Mule Fuel energy drink. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in and drop it just like this. All right, there it is. It's in there, the thumbnail, it's even moving over here. Now let's go ahead and now hit this submit button and then see what this comes back with. But look at this, while we wait on that, let's go back here where I said build that supercomputer with Telegram. Look, there it is. Now we're not necessarily focused on the quality of the image, but more of the fact that it did it from my Telegram app. That is the most important thing. Now back over here to my viral video boost, it's gonna continue with the analyzation process and it's gonna go and build the scene, add all of the details. So we're gonna head over here into my website and we're gonna go to the everything bundle, okay? You can see the everything bundle currently contains 11 databases, but almost 20 products in total. All of these amazing databases right here. Lifetime access, updates almost every single day. We're gonna go ahead and copy this link right here, come back in the supercomputer, and now we're gonna say analyze my product, and now I'll paste in my product's URL right here. And now instantly, I'll analyze that product. You can see it going to work right here, building the scene. We'll come back to this one as well in a second. Now, while we wait on our first two tasks, let's come back over here and check out some of the default things that we can create. Generate a UGC virtual try-on video for my fashion brand. Let's go ahead and input this in. Maybe we need some clothing to add, so let me go ahead and bring in some clothing I did create. Here we go. How about something like this? So I'll come in and I'll drop this in here as well. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, now if we go back over here into the viral video where I first uploaded that video, I want more customers. Is my video viral? Let's see what this says. Down here below, it says awaiting your input. Look, want me to run the full UGC creator review production pipeline? It generates a multi-shot, sub 15-second viral style TikTok reel. And then I have question number 2, which winning angle should we lead with for Mule Fuel? Let's go with yes, full pipeline. And to answer number 2, let's go with the pre-yoga, pre-workout ritual. Now I'll select continue. If we now go back over here into my product for the everything bundle, it asks me some questions here. Want me to take this further? Good next steps. Let's go with, number 1, generate marketing creatives. We have one more needs reply. This is going to be for the merch right here. Which piece should the creator try on? Rhinestone hoodie, rhinestone jacket. We'll go with the rhinestone jacket. Let's try this out. Target video length. We can just go with 10 seconds, but we do have 10, 15, 30, 45, and even other. On the left-hand side, again, we have another needs reply. That's why this is so cool. You can knock out a lot of tasks simultaneously at the same time and just be so much more productive. We'll go with the never need prompts again. Aspect ratio, let's go with the vertical one. It gives us the full breakdown. This looks pretty amazing. Now, again, I can go back and forth and ask for corrections, but the purpose is just to show you how good this is going to look. Once it's ready, if I approve it, let's go ahead and now select the generate down here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to have 3 of these going at the same time. And now the process continues for all 3. Now, unfortunately, we get one that's going to be moderated for NSFW, so I have no idea what it created. But nonetheless, you could see the status over here. And for the virtual try-on, we went ahead and it just gave us a model right here, and now it's building the scene. All right, now let's come over here to cinematic. Okay, while we wait, look, cinematic, right here down below, generate a 30-second cinematic action scene with my characters. That's interesting because we can usually get top of a 15-second clip. Let's see if we can double that with just one click of a button. All right, so with my characters, I'll select that. I can hit this plus button right here, and I actually have elements. And so now this populates and you can see all of my saved elements, my pins, my characters, locations, and props are all in here. All you have to do is hover and select that green button that says use, and now she appears over here. Let's go ahead and now generate this one. On the left-hand side, we're gonna have 4 at the same time. A few of these need our approval, so I'll go ahead and hit approve. But look at this. There is my drink. This model here looks good. Generate.
This is the only energy drink that doesn't wreck me before yoga. 0 jitters, 0 crash, hits in like 10 minutes flat. Mule Fuel on Amazon, link in bio. You can thank me later.
Okay, so now the rest of our tasks are complete. Let's see how good these all look.
Stop wasting hours writing AI prompts that look like trash. This bundle has 20,000 prompts, one purchase, lifetime access. It's $100. You will never need prompts again.
New piece just arrived. Yeah, this works. Clean fit. The material's quality, the silhouette holds. That's the look. Okay, Mule merch is my new go-to set. The black hoodie, tee, and cap all match. And this gradient logo seriously pops. Super soft, fits easy. I've been wearing it nonstop.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you like this video, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the mule. If it's the last thing you do, subscribe to the mule. I was made for the